In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I created a stop motion video for Dunkin' Donuts, just like that. Welcome back everyone to my home studio. My name is Muhammad Hamdi. What you just saw was a 45-second stop motion video for Dunkin' Donuts. In fact, I wasn't hired for this project, but I personally love their donuts. I'm even hardly stopping myself from eating them. If you want to know more about the tips and tricks that I used in this video, I'll simplify everything point by point, so make sure that you watch carefully. First things first, you might be wondering what stop motion is and how it's made. Simply, it's capturing one frame at a time with physical objects that are moved between frames. When you play back the sequence of images rapidly, it creates the illusion of movement. Actually, creating a stop motion video has multiple methods, but I prefer the taking individual pictures method, and that's what I used and what we'll be learning today. Now let's begin with the setup. I'm gonna be using a white backdrop because the products come in a lot of different palettes. We've got pink, orange, brown, and so on. That's why the white backdrop is the best choice to make all these colors pop and look delightful. Moving on to one of the most important aspects of creating this video, which is the lighting. Well, as we use the white backdrop, we're gonna need to light it very well by using two heads of lighting with two modifiers to smooth out the light. We'll put one key light on the left side with around a 45-degree angle, which is the main light, and the fill light on the right side, and that is to fill up the shadows the key light created. Now let's take a look at the camera settings. We'll shoot everything in manual settings so that the lighting doesn't change when I take several pictures. ISO will be 100 and shutter speed will be 125 and aperture will be 1.4. Quick tip before we start, there's a small trick that I used where I put small plates upside down in the bowls under the chocolate and biscuits to make it look fuller. So I put the camera on the tripod facing the products, and this will be our first angle. Then I start moving the products while capturing individual picture for each movement. Then I'll put it above to get the top angle and to do the exact same. And that took me around 600 individual pictures. Now we'll see how we're gonna put it together to make it look like moving. Now let's open Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing I'm going to do before importing the pictures, I'm going to go to the Preferences, Timeline, and I'm going to change Still Image Default Duration from this to 0.10 and the frames to 30 frames per second. And I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to import the pictures and add some music, sound effects, and color correction. And that's why I choose the taking individual pictures method, because it's not complicated when you edit. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and what you want to see next.